Building Monday. How big is that house, Braddock?
Big.
So big. Oh my goodness. It's a log cabin. Yeah. Who's gonna go inside? The cowboys? Have a caterpillar. Yummy. Approximately 5 seconds later. Construction. Yeah. Time for a new building.
I don't know what direction.
You're gonna check the directions?
Yeah.
Which kind of foundation do we need?
4.
A 4.
Mommy.
Let's build it.
Oh no.
H.
Hat H.
Yeah. You ready? Last one. Cat. Yeah! C. Cat. Let's find the letter E. Elephant. Elephant. Good work. Elephant. You ready? Let's find D. Dog. D. Yay! Good pinch. And I like how the booty of your pen is in the air. Good. Right on that black line. Good job. Octopus. Whoa, that was a good piece. Watch my hair. You won't cut Mommy's hair. Good job. Good cutting. Yep, cut. Good job. I like how you're going slow and steady. Good. Oh my goodness, that's so good. Right on that black line. Twist. Oh, here comes the big curve. Turn the paper. Mama, turn the paper. Good. Turn. Good. What about something? I'm just helping him with this double layer of paper. Gets a little harder to open, shut. All right, so we have our glue stick. Now we're going to glue right there. Glue dot. Squishy, squish. Let's make a little circle. Squish. Mommy's hair is in the glue. Mommy's hair gets everywhere. Good. All right, where do you want his eye to go? Squishy. Good job. Here, let's put an eyeball. Nice. Where does the other eyeball go?
Right here.
Good, and now we'll just color his pupils. Oh, Saki's awake. I'll put the glue on the bottom. All right, he needs 8 tentacles. 8 tentacles.
I put his leg on.
Happy Wednesday! Some of our toys from teaching this morning to keep babies occupied while Mommy teaches. Then we moved into building a tent. Let's go work on some numbers. Whoa. Today's learning was going to be Uno. What are the colors? What are the numbers? Make it match. Lay them face up so that you can see them all. But my tiny partner, he doesn't want to play. He wants to play Dominos. Is it an 8?
No, it's 4.
Right, so the 4 can't go on the 8, but a yellow can go on a yellow. Yellow. Oh no, Chase.
I got
There's Chase. All right, Mommy's turn. A 6 or a yellow.
I need one to play with.
I don't have a 6 and I don't have a yellow, so I'm gonna change the color to green.
Oh,
yeah, I know, but now it's Chase's turn. What does Chase have that's green?
That green.
A green 4.
And the Chase What's
All right,
that?
I have a green 5.
Like what?
A red.
I can play
Is 5 the same as 5?
Yeah.
Yes, so we can play that. Oh, I also have a red. Thank goodness. Can Chase play on my red 9?
Yeah.
With a red
9.
7.
Wait, something.
Uh-oh. Mommy doesn't have red or a 7. The baby's crying. Domino.
Dominoes.
It won't hurt them.
No.
It worked! Yay!
Hi friends! Just a little recap on the week so far. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Monday, we worked on Lincoln logs and we had a really great time building, stacking, looking at the foundation, building all of those great things. Really just growing our mind and what it takes to make a strong building. Keeping it fun. Tuesday, with letters, of course, teacher brain had one of those thoughts after we practiced that I'm supposed to use the picture word to help us with the sound that the letter makes. I was saying A, but really I'm supposed to go apple, A. The sound is really important that I really want Braddock to focus on right now. I can figure out the sound with the apple, the picture. This is a card that I have from school, from materials that I've brought home, but you can use any flashcards. Dollar Tree, you can make your own flashcards. You can find them on the internet for free. So those were just some cards that I had here at home. Our dominoes that we were using today, those were just another way. We practiced building them and we made 20 stories tall and we practiced counting to 20. We looked at the dots on the dominoes and we practiced counting 1-to-1 correspondence. How many dots do you see? He's not quite to the point of wanting to match them up and play real dominoes, but at least we can practice strategy and making curved shapes. How far apart, how small, are they wiggling, problem solving, some STEM activities to really help build him in that mathematical mindset. I hope that you can give it a go and try it out yourself. So that's just a little snippet of our week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. We still have a whole lot of time left to go. So have a great day. See you next time, friends.